want to give a special thanks to MGA for sending these to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today we are taking a look at OMG Series 3, Da Boss, and her little sister, Boss Queen, in the Series 3 LOL Surprise Furniture Playset. This one is called School Office. I've seen it priced at $14.99 at Target, and the OMG doll was around $26.99. Let's start with Da Boss. Sorry, I just really like saying that. The front of the box looks pretty standard. It says 20 surprises inside, unbox fashion, dress me, strut your stuff, reusable dressing room, package becomes playset, I'm a fashion doll, LOL surprise, OMG outrageous millennial girls. Has it always said that? If she is a millennial, that means she was born between 1981 and 1996, according to CNN.com. Sometimes the generation is listed as 1980 to 2000. And yeah, I'm a millennial. So Da Boss's age range is between 20 and 40, or 24 and 39, depending on which generational timeline you're using. Girl, we are both millennials. We can totally hang out. On the side of the box, it says, "Hey sis." On the back, LOL surprise, OMG, outrageous millennial girls. OMG, we sisters slay all day. We strut fierce style like the divas we are. We march to the beat of our own DJ, making everything a little more outrageous. We stand out from the crowd and write our own set of rules, cause we're here to surprise the world. At the bottom of the box, you can see all of the dolls in this collection: Chillax, Class Prez, Roller Chick, and Da Boss. Let's be friends. Hashtag collect OMG. Let's get this unboxing started. It says pull right here. Oh yeah, gotta remove that protective plastic. All right, just give me a second. Take two. Let's get this unboxing started. It says start here. So we just pull this to the side to reveal the doll, Da Boss. Big hair, bigger dreams. High heels, higher standards. Fierce style, fiercer drive. That feels weird to say. Fiercer drive. It just doesn't roll off the tongue. Or maybe it's just the way I talk. Now let's open the rest of the box for the big reveal. Woo! She's standing in a dressing room. We are going to open the door. We find a large hat inside. It is rubber band in place. There's a little tiny comb. So we just have to carefully remove that. Okay, I'm failing here. Scissors! And it's free. Now we can get a good look at the doll. She is wearing a bodysuit. Remove all of the packaging from the box. And we're just gonna cut a few of these little elastic stays here. And she's free! She comes with a rose gold copper colored doll stand and a matching hairbrush. Let's put the doll on the stand. She has a lot of hair. It's like a golden blonde. It's curly, very, very soft. Let's turn her around. The hair is pulled back with an elastic hairband very loosely. There's a lot of hair here, y'all. A lot of hair. She has large brown eyes, looks like some glitter eyeshadow and glitter lipstick. She wears a bodysuit with golden fabric around the top and around the legs. The center looks like a newspaper print. There are some faux gold buttons going down the center. It has clear straps to help hold it up, and it velcros in the back. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and she has a bend and snap knee. There's not a huge range of motion there, but there is some motion. Her nails are painted red, and she is totally giving off some Beyonce vibes. Inside the dressing room, there is a mirror. All you have to do is remove the protective plastic. It peels right off, and then you get a pretty decent mirror there. On the side, it says Unbox Fashions. Let's just pull out the plastic packaging. Everything is inside. She comes with the Fashion BB magazine, Fall 20 issue. She's a Libra. Wake up, beauty. It's time to beast. Hey, wasn't Beyonce born in September? Inside the box, there are pictures on the wall. It looks like a coat rack on one side, some lights in the back, a chair, and a little dresser with a coffee machine. Oh, and there's a picture at the top, which is a framed $100 bill. We have 2 garment bags. This one has golden dollar signs on it, and the other one has a variety of things like cell phones, plane tickets, glasses, chains. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, we got some pants. They Velcro in the back. They go right over the bodysuit. It's a tiger print with some sparkles. She does have a little bit of room in there. They were very easy to put on. In the second garment bag, we've got, ooh, shiny. It's a shiny coat. To me, it kind of looks like rose gold. It has a snakeskin print. There are glitter details on the lapels, the belt, at the cuff, and at the bottom. Ooh, and the pocket. Let's undo the belt, which has a little tiny belt buckle. Oh, love that. I am removing her hands to make it easier to put the jacket on. In the promo pic, it's supposed to hang off the shoulders a little. I did have to take some time turning the seam allowance down so that it would look a little neater. The belt is very long. Of course, you can cut it if you like. I know this might be a little unpopular to say, but I'm not a huge fan of glitter because it tends to get all over the place. The hat has a matching glitter ribbon. The comb can go right into her hair to help it stay on. Let's check out her shoebox. It's all black. On the side, it says Tiger Booty because the shoe is a short boot, so that's where that comes from. And then on the side, the barcode says, I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Oh man, I am such a kid. Okay, so, oh, serious face. Here we go. Let's open up the shoebox. Inside, we have some tissue paper and tiger booties. Y'all, I seriously cannot be a grown-up right now. 1, 2, 3, action. Okay, so the shoes have a tiger print. In the back, it looks like some kind of chain. It's a small detail for the heel. Can you see that? There is little stitching too along the side. I like that detail. And the laces are painted. I do like how much detail they put into some of their smaller items. That's cool. The shoes are marked on the bottom for the right and left foot. Once you get them on the correct foot, just pull the pants down over them so you see them peeking out underneath. Inside of the pink hat box, we find some tiger print tissue paper and a bag that looks like a newspaper. It has a little handle, and on one side it says Fashion BB Extra Extra. Then on the other side, Who Slayed Fashion Week? Those are real words printed on the side. You can totally read them. When she's holding her bag, it looks like she's holding a newspaper. I like that. She's well informed. We also have some giant earrings. They say boss. They match her jacket. There's a necklace, and I always have difficulty with these chokers. I got it! I am so proud of myself right now. And she has a little gold watch. Here she is, all dressed up and ready to take charge. There are a lot of things to like about this doll. All the attention to detail, the layering with the clothing, the creative accessories, the hair. I like the color. It's very soft. And that hat is definitely a fun detail. But personally, I could totally live without the glitter makeup, and the glitter on the clothing. But that's just me. I know a lot of you out there are like totally yes on the glitter. Now let's take a look at the LOL Surprise furniture playset. It has over 10 surprises inside. The box becomes a playset, exclusive doll inside, Series 3. You can see everything that you're getting, so it does kind of take away from the surprise, but at least you don't have to worry about doubles. On the side of the box, there's a list of the items included. It says furniture, accessories, Series 3 doll, Boss Queen, and a fold-out playset. Work hard, play hard. Love, BB. Remove the plastic. Remove the top. Remove this little thing that holds everything in place. Pull down the front, and it opens up to see a white wood grain floor with an animal print rug. Open the sides. Tuck the corner into the opening to reveal a pretty cool backdrop. These backdrops are pretty detailed. I love all the work they put into it, but it is only sized for the small LOL dolls. It would be so awesome if they were sized for the OMG doll as well. There's a trophy case, a calendar, a window, some furniture with pictures and lamps, another window, a bookcase, plant, and some lights. Those are the same lights that were in the OMG doll box. And that's the same $100 bill in a frame. The surprises are wrapped in paper. It says Berry Fierce. I'm opening the large one first. Inside there's more tissue paper and a desk. The desk has a faux marble on top. It's a nice little gold color on the other side with triangles. All of the drawers actually open, and we can place it anywhere in the room. Our next surprise is... feels like a chair. Oh, that's actually really cute. It's the perfect little office chair. The bottom actually can spin. Oh, love that. And it can go right behind the desk. Now we have a whole bunch of small surprises left. This is a flower pot that looks like a face. And we have, oops, it looked like a lamp. It is a little desk lamp. It can move. And this is an accessory you can totally use with other doll sizes. Let's see what's in here. Whatever it is, it's very small. It's a little nameplate for the desk. That looks like a pair of glasses. Oh yeah, some sunglasses for the doll. I wonder what this is. Shoes. And an outfit. This one feels like a bottle. This is flat. I wonder what we got here. Oh, a little computer. How cute. Look at that. And that's a little post-it note on the side. The sticker is a little off center, but I do appreciate them taking the time to put it on for me. Last but not least, here is the doll, covered in glitter. Here she is, fully dressed. There is some paint and smudges on the side of her face. Lots of glitter everywhere. I've got it all over my hands, but she totally matches her older sister. The playset is a lot of fun because you get an entire scene, accessories, and they fold up for easy storage. And an LOL surprise doll is included, and those run around $10. So if everything is $14.99 and you're getting a $10 LOL surprise doll, you're getting the backdrop and accessories for about $5. I just wish it was large enough to fit the OMG doll. So let's make a folding background in her size. I'm using poster board, and I'm going to fold it in half, then fold it in half again, making a crease cut along this edge to the center. This makes a very quick and easy room where all we have to do is overlap the sides for a corner room that's just big enough for the doll. On the floor, trim off the excess to make it square. I made some OMG inspired printables. These are available for free on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Glue them onto the walls. I glued down a wood grain for the floor first. Then I added the bookcase printable on the corner, the windows on the sides to give our room a little color. I made a printable rug that we can cut out and glue to the floor, giving us a backdrop for the boss. Our printables are available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Series 3 OMG The Boss and the school office playset featuring Boss Queen. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at myfroggystuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!